Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the maximum support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have come again. You trust progress the analyst, no leave, no transfer. I will give it to you back to back. I will give it to you the way you want it.
Good afternoon, everyone. As usual, my name is RALP Uwazuruiki. As you can see this afternoon, Governor Uzodimma sent his men, OCDA, Owerri Capital Development Authority, to come and demolish my house. You can see. I have been on this house for the past 11 years now or more, precisely in 2012. I have been here since 2012. Before Uzodimma became the governor of Imo State, I came in here. I have been here for 11 years now, before he became a governor. Around 2016, some people came up to say that this place belonged to them. We went to court. They went through the back about a year ago or so, obtained judgment without any service to us. Jankara judgment, Oluwole judgment, without serving us. So immediately they obtained the judgment. We went to the Court of Appeal to question the veracity of the judgment they got, to ask the Court of Appeal to quash the judgment. Immediately we went to Court of Appeal. One Archbishop Lucius Ugoji started asking for my number. My lawyer told me that Archbishop Lucius Ugoji was asking for my number, that he wanted to speak to me. I said, give him my number. He gave my number to the Archbishop. The Archbishop called me to say that he is interested in this place. I told him that this place is in the Court of Appeal. Then I started thinking, just about a year ago, immediately he came into him and said, they got Jankara judgment against me without serving me. I then knew that it was his handwork. I told him, I said, you are great. This place is in the Court of Appeal. You know what he told me? He said, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? That's what Archbishop Lucius Ugoji asked me. It's on record. He asked me, do you want the two of us to start fighting over land? I told him, I said, you are dressed, I don't know you, I have not seen you before. I have been on this land since 2012. I don't know how you feel I should fight over land with you, the land that belongs to me. He says, okay, we shall see. He ended the call. After about 1 week, Governor Uzodimma sent somebody to talk to me. As a matter of fact, he sent Professor Morrissey, the former INEC chairman, to talk to me, asking me to go and discuss with Archbishop Lucius Ugoji and his group. I said, His Excellency, he should tell His Excellency that this land is in the Court of Appeal. I am a lawyer. A matter that is in the Court of Appeal should not be taken to any other place. As a matter of fact, a matter that is in court cannot be taken to any other place for settlement unless we get the leave of the court. Unless both parties will get the leave of the court to settle the case out of court. Immediately after wars, men of OCDA started pasting demolition notice in this place. First, they gave 21 days notice. We continued furnishing them with the details that this matter is in the Court of Appeal. Bring more documents. All these are from the Court of Appeal. All these documents, Court of Appeal. all these documents. So lately they came with 7 days notice. They came with this 7 days notice. So we continue telling them that this case is in the Court of Appeal. We went to the OCDA. As a matter of fact, I went with my lawyer to OCDA to say, this case is the Court of Appeal. We submitted all the particulars to them. About 3 days ago, we went to the Court of Appeal to get an injunction, motion on notice. You can see the motion of notice against the respondents, asking them, come to Court of Appeal and prove why you are using the governor and OCDA to come and demolish a property that is in the Court of Appeal. We served them. I personally sent the messages, these particulars, to the governor himself through his WhatsApp address. I sent to both Maurice Iwu, to both Anyehe, twice to the governor, the chief of staff to the governor. I sent to all of them. I sent to even the DSS director, telling them this matter is in the Court of Appeal. You don't need to demolish this place that is in the Court of Appeal. But today, this afternoon, you see, irrespective of all the documents, all the motions, everything, showing that the matter is in the Court of Appeal, they came here and demolished this facility. A place I built in 2012. I've been since 2012 up to date in this place, and you came to destroy it. For what reason? What have you got to do with a plot of land that belongs to someone? Am I a foreigner? Am I not from Imo State? Am I not from Igbo land? Why must I be treated this way? Yes, I am fighting for Biafra through non-violence. You cannot drive me away. I'm not willing to go on exile. I cannot. I will be here. I know you people are working for some other people and some other interests. And so what? And so what? You can't kill all of us who are talking about Biafra. I'm not running to any place. I will never go on exile. I'm here. I'm here. And nobody will kill all Igbos. Nobody will kill all Igbos. Nobody will kill Biafra. Whether you like it or not, you will continue to hear about Biafra.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analysis that bring you all the update. Now we have heard from Shifraf Uwazuruiki. What is your take? Why is it that Governor Hope Uzodimma decided to pull his house down? Do you think that there is more to it? If you listen to his last statement, he says something about Biafra. What is your take on all these things that is happening? Please drop your opinion in the comment section. If you have other reasons from what he just explained that make Governor Hope Uzodimma to do this, drop it in the comment section. I will be there with you, and people will also read your statement about this issue. Thank you. I will keep updating you if there is something different or there is something else. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.